So, good day everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and where you are watching the video from. So now, we are going to take you guys through on how to get some image prompts, okay? How to design plenty things. Alright, so there is an image you are going to design this night. Okay, so this is the image here. Alright, so we are going to design this thing using AI. So we are going to upload this image on our ChatGPT. So now go to the app ChatGPT, click on it now. I want you guys to follow the process to the end so you won't miss any step. Click on the plus sign, then photos. Then let's upload that picture. Let's upload the picture. Okay, here is the picture. Then add. Just say to the. I want you to give me the exact prompt. Used in creating this image. Then send it to it. Okay, so this is the prompt now. Now we are going to copy the prompt. We are going to copy it. Then we are going to go to our notepad. Then we are going to paste it here. Then edit all those phone numbers. Edit it to our choice. Before you get the image, like you have gotten the image that you want to edit, like this is just recreating. So if you don't want to suffer like from scratch, just get the image from anywhere. And we just watch to the end of this video. I will show you where to get free images. Okay, so now let me find for something to edit again. Now we are going to, let me just, what is the brand name that I'm going to use now? Let me just use Ella. Okay, so I think there is now a lot of editing. So we are going to copy it now. Then we are going to use the same ChatGPT. Then continue, just paste the prompt here. Just paste the prompts. Oh, this is a wrong prompt. Go to your no chat. Okay. Paste. We didn't copy the chat or what? This is not the number that I edited. Let me go back to my notepad. So let me just copy. Copy, then go back to ChatGPT. To clean this thing now is voila. Let me check whether it can bring me out in chat. It's not possible. Let me just clean it out. So this is not just something that is that much. It's not that much. It's not that much stressful. Okay, so just trust the process. Okay, so we are going to paste the prompts here because we copied a wrong prompt, so we're going to send it. Okay, so it's creating the image now. Let me just see the other image. That this is a wrong prompt, but let me just see the image that it generated. So this one is even more beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. Like, some people, like, you can't believe that this is just done with your smartphone. Like, even me that is creating this now, I'm much surprised. Okay, so this is the image. Like, this is what we got, and from the first prompt, recreated prompts, this is what we sent. So there are 100% different, but let's just see the other image now. Network is holding it to load. Like, now the image has been created. Like, just take a look at this thing. Can you believe that it can just be done with your smartphone? Like, can you believe? Like, oh my goodness. So for you to download the image, just click here. So this class, as you can see, we are just taking it process by process. So this one now is how to design a hairstyle, like a salon flyer. The first one was how to design a clothing brand. So we are going to take it step by step now. Even logo, So I don't want you to miss any part of this class, and all is going to be for free. That is the best amazing part. So follow this class. I want you to like this video now, share it to your friends, and comment. That is all I want you to do for me. We are going to the next part of the video, which is going to be dropping soon, so don't miss it out. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Okay, so now let me save it to my gallery. You can long press on it and click on save, or you can just click on the download button on the off side. Okay, thank you all, love you, bye.